Hi there. Today in this video, I'll teach you how to make rules for Outlook. So the thing is, imagine you're opening your Outlook after a week or a month, and you get surprised to see that you have thousands of emails on your mailbox, the inbox. So now the problem is, uh, when you have the thousands of mails in your inbox, it is quite hard for you to differentiate which one is important one and which one is a junk mail. So normally if you have more options, then there's more likely that you will miss some important email. So these kind of things happen with me with my office mail. So currently for a week, yeah, for per week I used to get 200 emails, and in future this could go even worse. As I said, 1000 mails per month. So it's kind of mandatory for us to set a rules so that we never miss important emails. So let's get started. Okay, let's just open Microsoft Outlook. So in my office, I use Microsoft 365, which has more features than compared with the normal Outlook app. And now I'm using an web app, so which is something like Outlook PWA, sorry, Outlook PWA, something called Portable Web App. So here it's similar to opening your Chrome browser and browsing your Gmails via a Chrome tab, but instead you'll just install a tiny little app. It's something like what to say, add-on, some kind of add-on. So which will instead of opening the Chrome and accessing the web page, you can directly open it and access your Outlook emails. So here you can see I have a lot of emails, and I'll try to apply the rules on some of these email. Let me choose Google first. Okay, so these are the alerts from Google because I tried to change the password of my one of my Gmail accounts. So since I added has a recovery account for this Gmail, so I'm getting this kind of mails. And sorry, this video is totally unscripted, so you might have to manage with the grammatical errors and so sad, sorry, those kind of repetitive words. So here I'll try to apply rules on this Google's email. So the email ID is no reply at accounts.google.com. And here I have another mail that is also the same mail ID. So here if I apply rule for one Gmail, so entire mails from this email ID will get moved into a separate folder. So let's just start. So first I will go and advance create rule. So here we have advance and create rule option. It asks me to create a new folder. Either you can wait. Let me go to the more options. Hmm. Yes. Okay. From Google. Oh, nice. No reply at Google.com. Okay, this is a mail ID. Move to copy to delete. These are the some of the rules which we have. So normally a move option is more than enough for us. Move to from all messages from Google for all messages. Yeah. So this simply means that whatever message comes from this specific email ID, which will get automatically moved to a separate folder. So, okay, let's just move. Don't care Google account security. Okay, so this is our folder. And if I just, okay, yeah, here all we also have run the rule now so that whatever messages are there, um, if I click this run rule now, so what this will do is this will try to run this rule on all the emails which are currently in there in the inbox. And since we are setting a rule, so in future if I get some mail IDs, if in future if I get some mails from Google, it will be automatically moved to this folder. Don't care Google account security, blah blah blah. Okay, I am saving it right now. So this is a rule. So I must say, I feel this one is quite easier than the Microsoft Outlook 365. Actually, 365 we have a lot of options, but here we have limited option, which makes it feel little uncomfortable. Okay, I think it might have run. Okay, here we have it. Only two mails. I was expecting more. Okay, so I'll run the same test again on some other mail ID. Uh, let's use Microsoft this time. No reply, account security, no reply. Uh-huh. Security, no reply. So it seems I have this mail ID multiple times. So accounts security, no reply at accountprotection.microsoft.com. So now I'm going to apply rule for this email. Create new rule. I'll simply go with no more options so I can better understand what this is about. For all messages from Microsoft account team from okay set action move to uh, the same goes, but here I will add and you can also select some existing folder, but this time I'll just create a new one. Don't care. And I do not see any subfolder options. In Microsoft 360, we have an option to create subfolders, like something like don't care, and inside that we have don't care messenger from Google, from Microsoft, from some other source. So here I guess I have to create folder for each and every roles one by one. Don't care, accounts, Microsoft. Okay, okay, run the rule now. I think 5 to 6 emails will be stored inside this folder. I think so, but because this is somewhat my personal account, so means something like I didn't use this Gmail much, so you cannot expect much more messages. I used to use Gmails, not the Outlook one. I used to use Gmail, so there you can see I have thousands and 2000s of mails. I'll show you right now. Just please stay with me for this one. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So totally 5 mails are automatically moved here. So in future, if I get any mails from this Microsoft accounts, then it will move automatically to this folder. Um, okay, let's try a different thing this time. Okay, this is one of my Gmail account, which is ank.singh67 at gmail.com. So now I'm going to apply a rule for this guy. Create rule. Move to a folder. Now I'll just go with more options. Okay, move to. Let me create a new one. Friend. Okay, run rule now. What's this message? Oi, sure. Okay, save. So here you can see it's loading symbol is there. So that means it's currently processing our request. The fact is, I just sent only one mail. So why it's loading this long? Okay, anyway, it should be done within minutes. Mm, why it's taking longer? Okay, yeah. Maybe my system is quite slow or my internet connection is bad, maybe. So that could be the reason. So friend, oh yeah, two mails. I thought I deleted this mail, but I don't know from where it came in. Okay. So test one, test two. Now I'm going to create test three. So this should automatically move to this new folder. So let's test. So now I'll use one of my Gmail account to send emails to my Outlook account and hopefully, oh what? Wait. Hmm, 18 tabs. Here I am. Actually, this is how I use my Chrome browser. So instead of yeah, instead of opening tabs each and every time, I just restore those tabs. So now I'll write an email to my own account. That is, sorry, I cannot spell it here because it's more like my personal account. So I don't want to share this. So this will be test 3. blah 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 blah, and send. So I'll also check the sent box. So these are the test 1, 2, and 3. So test 1 and 2, I think I sent yesterday. I was just checking whether everything works fine or not. And this is a test 3 which I sent right now. So I should be receiving a mail here. Okay, yeah, I got it. So if you get a new mail and if it gets moved automatically to your folder, you will have this one here, one new mail which indicates, and here it falls under the unopened category. If you click, here's our message. So what does it mean? Let me just reply something. Send. It's just normal. Came over here. Okay. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I could have done with my office mail ID, but due to some security reasons, I cannot do that. So I hope you're good with this. And if you're using Microsoft 365, you can also follow the same procedure. Almost pretty much it's same only. You have to just click right click, and you will find the rule somewhere here itself. Means, but here I have to go to advanced actions and then create rule. But in Microsoft 365, you will get that rule option here itself.